Initial development of the Kh-35 anti-ship missile began back in 1977. Its development received formal go-ahead only in 1983 to 1984. It was planned to be a Soviet answer to emerging Western anti-ship missiles, such as French Exocet, Franco-Italian Odomat and U.S. Harpoon. Test launches began in 1985. Development was rather protracted due to numerous failed launches and problems with the guidance system. The Kh-35 was first publicly displayed in 1992 and was proposed for export customers, though at the time it was still not ready for production. In the early 1990s, after collapse of the Soviet Union, development was further delayed due to funding problems. However, in 1994 India ordered these missiles in the downgraded Kh-35E export form. This Indian order allowed to finish development and start production of the missile. Deliveries to the Indian Navy commenced in 1996. The Kh-35 missile was adopted by the Russian Navy only in 2003, alongside with Iran, Uranus, shipborne anti-ship missile system, which used these missiles. In 2004 Russian Navy adopted a Bal coastal defense missile system, which also used the Kh-35s. In 2005 development of an air-launched version of the Kh-35 was completed, which was originally intended for Indian IL-38SD maritime patrol aircraft. Since then the air-launched versions are also widely used by the Russian military. In 2011 a container-based anti-ship missile system with Kh-35 missiles was revealed. Other export operators of the Kh-35 are Algeria, Turkmenistan, and Vietnam. The Kh-35 became a successor to a P-15 Termit anti-ship cruise missile, Western reporting name SS-N-2 Styx. It has broadly similar performance to that of the French Exocet and Franco-Italian Odomat, though it loses in terms of range and destructive power to the U.S. Harpoon. The Kh-35 is much simpler to produce than P-800 Onyx, caliber of the new zirconium, hypersonic anti-ship missile, that is currently being developed. This Russian anti-ship missile is a relatively inexpensive weapon. It costs around $500,000 per missile. The Kh-35 carries a 145 kg high explosive fragmentation (HEFRAG) warhead. It was designed to pierce horizontally through the bulkheads and compartments prior to exploding inside the ship. This missile was designed to defeat vessels with a displacement of up to 5,000 t. So it should be efficient against frigates and smaller destroyers. The Kh-35 also has a secondary capability against ground targets. There was planned a nuclear-tipped variant of the Kh-35, however it seems that this missile was never developed. The Kh-35 has inertial navigation system with active radar homing on the terminal stage of its flight. This missile has a maximum altitude of 5 kilometers, though typically it travels 10 to 15 meters above the surface. The radar seeker has a lock-on range of 20 kilometers and guides the missile onto its target. In the terminal stage of the flight the missile descends to 3 to 5 meters above the surface in order to overcome hostile defense systems. This missile travels at subsonic speed of 950 to 1010 km/h. It is estimated that due to its subsonic speed that anti-ship missile can be intercepted rather easily, especially by advanced defense system. The Kh-35 is efficient out to a Sea State 6. Missiles deployed on ships and used by coastal defense missile systems are fitted with booster motors. However, in most cases the air-launched Kh-35 missiles do not have the booster motor.